In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste Markdown into Jira and keep your formatting intact. If you've ever written a clean, README technical note or structured update in Markdown and then pasted it into Jira only to see everything turn into plain text, you know how frustrating that can be. Good formatting makes your documentation easier to scan, easier to review, and much more useful for your team. The good news is that Jira's cloud editor can often interpret Markdown formatting as you paste it, which makes this process much smoother. To get started, open your preferred web browser and sign in to your Atlassian cloud site. Once you're on the main Jira homepage, go into the project you're working in and open the specific issue where you want to add your content. This could be a task, bug, story, or any other ticket type. The goal here is simply to get to the exact issue where your text needs to go. Once the issue is open, click into the area where you want to add the content. You can use the description field if you're updating the main body of the issue, or the comment field if you just want to leave a formatted note. As soon as you click inside the field, Jira's editor becomes active, and that gives you the space where the formatting conversion can happen. Now switch over to the document or editor where your Markdown is prepared. Copy the text exactly as it is, including things like hash symbols for headings, asterisks for bold text, and hyphens for bullet lists. Then return to Jira and paste it directly into the active text field. In many cases, Jira will automatically recognize that Markdown syntax and convert it into formatted rich text right away. That means your headings, bold text, and lists should appear in a more polished and readable format without you having to rebuild them manually. If a normal paste doesn't handle a more complex block very well, there's another option. On a blank line in the editor, type a / to open the command menu. Then type markup and select that option. A dedicated box will appear where you can paste your raw Markdown. After that, click Insert, and Jira will process it through that tool instead. For quick code formatting, there's also a handy shortcut. On a blank line, type 3 backticks, then press space or enter. Jira will turn that into a code block, giving you a clean container for code snippets or terminal commands. Before you finish, take a moment to review everything carefully. Make sure headings look correct, lists are properly indented, and code blocks appear where you expect them to. Once everything looks good, click Save to publish your formatted content. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.